While HoneyBook does offer your clients the option of paying directly through the platform, sometimes they may want to pay via cash, check, or another method. If you run into this, here's how to manually mark a payment as paid in HoneyBook. First, navigate to the project on which you'll be editing the payment status. You can search for the project via the search icon, or head to your Projects tab to find your full list of projects. Once you're in the project, click on the Files tab and find the file containing the payment you'd like to edit. Click the file to open, then head down to the Payment Plan section. Find the payment you'll be editing and click the three-dot icon. Select Mark as Paid, then choose the payment method. You can select cash, check, or other, which you can customize with the appropriate method. Select the date that the payment came in, then click Mark as Paid. Now, the status of the payment will reflect as paid for both you and your client.